Are you curious about which DNS service is better? Today, we are comparing NextDNS and Quad9. Both tools help you browse the internet safely and quickly. They act as a middleman between you and the websites you visit. But how do they differ? First, let's look at NextDNS. This service gives you a lot of control over your online experience. You can block ads, trackers, and even harmful websites. NextDNS also offers detailed statistics about your browsing. It's great for users who want customization and privacy. Now, let's talk about Quad 9. This DNS service focuses on security. It blocks access to malicious sites automatically. Quad 9 uses threat intelligence to keep you safe while you surf the web. It's ideal for users who prioritize security over customization. So, what are the key differences? Next DNS is all about control and personal settings. You can tailor it to fit your needs. Quad 9, on the other hand, is more about automatic security. It protects you without needing much input from you. When it comes to features, NextDNS shines with its custom settings and stats. You can choose what to block and see how it affects your browsing. Quad 9 offers straightforward protection, but with limited customization. In terms of pricing, both services have free options. NextDNS has a paid plan for advanced features, while Quad 9 is completely free. In the end, if you want more control and detailed insights, go for NextDNS. But if you want simple automatic security, Quad 9 is the way to go. Thanks for watching. If you found this comparison helpful, please like and subscribe for more content.